All right, baby. Here we go with another call out of the stations. Can you dig it? Answer the phone, dummy.
Pinky's Pizza.
Yeah, listen, you got any more of those secret agent spy scopes?
It's right on the stethoscope.
No, the secret agent spy scope, man. That pulls in the moon, the stars, the planets, and the satellites, and the little bitty spaceman.
You must have the wrong number, partner.
What did you say? Wait, what did you say? What did you say? Quick, hang a right. What? Why? Steven, cut over to G Street. I just saw a vision. I saw a goddess. Come on, you gotta catch up to her.
See anything?
Come on, Kurt. We can't be spending half the night chasing girls down for you.
Lori.
I'm telling you, this was the most perfect, dazzling creature I've ever seen.
She's gone. Get it.
She spoke to me. She spoke to me right through the window. I think she said, I love you. That means nothing. To you people, you have no romance, no soul. Someone wants me. Someone roaming the streets wants me. When you turn the corner.
Oh, Kurt.
Oh. Later.